Hi, I'm Alex from PEX Universe, and I want to show you the stainless steel manifold from Rifeng, which acts as a heart for your radiant floor heating system, as it sends water to and from your water heater into your floor system so that it heats all the rooms that you want it to. The manifold has to be connected to a heat source like a tankless water heater, a boiler, etc. And then one side of the flow has to be connected to this flow side or the supply side right down here. And then the other side has to be connected to the return side, which is this side up here. This will either be white or blue, and this is usually red. The manifold comes with two shutoff valves right here and here for both the supply and return side. And then it has temperature gauges for both sides as well. And then it has the air eliminator up here, and two fill and empty valves right here and here. If your floor heating system spans multiple rooms, it's best if the lengths of each loop is the same, but since they'll never be exactly the same in every room, you have these flow meters right down here, which make sure that the heat is evenly distributed throughout all the loops. Lastly, these are compression fittings which come with the manifold. They connect the PEX tubing to the manifold, and this is specifically for 1/2-inch PEX tubing. So you can easily add your supply and return lines with color-coordinated PEX that make it easy to identify after installation. So the blue is for your return side and red is for supply. So all you do is you set up your compression fitting, screw it on, and then tighten it with a wrench. The water flows from the supply bar into the system and comes up through the return bar, where it either goes back into circulation to the loop system or is sent back to the heating source. So once the warm water is sent to your heating system in the floor, it'll return to the manifold, then to your heat source to heat the water again. The air eliminator is used to release any air from the system when it's first filled with fluid. The drain and fill valves allow you to drain the system if needed, or you can fill it up with a garden hose or a drain hose. The temperature gauges are straightforward, and then all they do is let you monitor the temperature of the water in your system. The shutoff valves close off the supply or return in case you need to make a repair. These give a visual indication of the flow in each loop, and a frequently asked question we get is if this can be installed upside down, the whole system, and the answer is that it can be, but it's not recommended since these flow meters won't read accurately. If you want to use your manifold to heat multiple zones, you can purchase a manifold with up to 12 branches, and also purchase an actuator as an add-on to the manifold. This actuator from our site acts as a zone valve, so you can use one manifold to control the temperature in different rooms independently. This plastic part screws onto the return side of the manifold, and it has to be wired to a zone controller in order to work. You can find this Rifeng manifold and other manifolds at PEXUniverse.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out some other videos if you're interested.